Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is express 0.99999 which is continuing in the form P upon Q. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmates discuss why the answer makes sense. So guys, let us look into this question. The question has given us this number. The question has given us this number 0.99999 which is repeating, and the question is asking us to represent this number in the form of P upon Q. The question is asking us to represent this number in the form of P upon Q, and it is checking with us if we are surprised with the answer. If we are surprised with the answer, we need to discuss this answer with our class teacher or with our classmates. Now guys, the question is asking us to represent 0.9999 in the form of P upon Q. That means in the form of a rational number. The question is asking us to represent 0.9999 in the form of a rational number. Guys, we very well know that a rational number is a number which is of the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. This is what we very well know, and we are going to represent 0.99999 in the form of a rational number. In order to do this, let us assume let x is equal to 0.9999. 5 nines they have considered, so we are taking 5 nines, and actually we could have taken any number of nines because it is repeating. So you could see that what we considered x is equal to 0.99999. We have assumed x so that we are working it out so that we can represent 0.999 in the form of P upon Q. Now guys, this step is most important. Here what we got 0.999, and you could see that this 9 is repeating. Only one digit is repeating. Only one digit, that is 9, is repeating. So what I can write is one digit is repeating. So I can, let me note it down, is one digit is repeating after decimal, is repeating after decimal, is one digit is repeating after decimal. Let us multiply with 10. Let us multiply with 10 to both sides of the above equation, What is that equation? The equation is x is equal to 0.99999. This is what we are going to do. As one digit is repeating, we are going to multiply 10 to both sides of the above equation. If 2 digits would have repeated, we have multiplied 100. If 3, we would have multiplied it with 1000. Now I can write, as we are going to multiply 10 to both sides of the equation, so I can write now x into 10 is equal to 0.9999 ... into 10. So what I did, just I am multiplying 10 to both sides of the equation. If we multiply with the same number to both sides of a given equation, the overall effect remains the same. This is what we very well know. Or I can write 10x is equal to 9.9999. I can add one more 9 so that it becomes 5 nines, and I am just left with ... It is repeating. Here the decimal is shifted from here to here. Why? Because we have multiplied with 10. The decimal from here shifted to here as we have multiplied with 10. Just the decimal shifted by one digit. Hope guys, still here we are very clear. What we got? We got 10x is equal to 9.99999. Now guys, this step is most important. Here this step is going to be most important. Just let us observe this carefully. We got that what we got 10x is equal to 9999. Now I am going to represent, or I am going to segregate this 9 point. I am going to segregate this 9.999 into two parts. one part is going to be our this part 0.999, which is the initial one the question has given us. So 0.99999, this is what the question has given us. So I'm going to segregate this 9.9999 into two parts. One part is 0.999. Let us find out this part. Let us fill out this part. How to find out? The very easiest way is to be, let us do the subtraction. 9.9999 and 0.9999. We are subtracting 0.9999 from 9.9999 so that we can get the get a number, so that we can replace this number here. We can replace this number here. Now let us subtract this quickly. 9 minus 9 is 0, 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 9 minus 9 is 0. We are left with only 9. So I can write 9.000 as 9. Hope guys still here we are very clear. So I am going to write that 9 here. So what we got? We got here in this step, if you look here in this step, we got 10x is equal to 9.999. In the next step, I have segregated this number into 9 plus 0.999. Hope guys till here we are very clear. Or I can write 10x is equal to 9 plus x. 9 plus x. Why x? If you remember here, we have considered x is equal to this step. If you remember, we have considered x is equal to 0.999. Now I have replaced back this 0.999 with x. I have replaced back to x 0.999. So we got 10x is equal to 9 plus x in this step. Hope guys you understood this particular step. It is very simple and very straightforward. Just we are solving some type of equations. Or I can write what I can write, or I can write 10x minus x is equal to 9. Why minus x? Just moving this x from right side to the left side. Or I can write 9x is equal to 9. What we can write? What we got? We got 9x is equal to 9. Or I can write x is equal to 9 upon 9. What we got? X is equal to 9 upon 9. Just moving 9 from the left side to the right side. Or I can write x is equal to 1. Or I can write x is equal to 1. Guys, this is our answer. Why 1? 9 upon 9. 9 upon 9 is nothing but 1 upon 1. This 1 upon 1 is the rational number that we are looking for. So in no one writes 1 upon 1. In order 1 upon 1 is nothing but simple, straightforward. We can write 1. This is our answer, guys. What we got? We got x is equal to 1. This is the rational number. How 1 is the rational number? 1 is nothing but 1 upon 1. So this is our rational number. And now the question has, and now this is the rational number, and if we solve this, just we will get 0.9999. Now guys, the question has asked us, are we surprised with the answer? Yes, we are surprised. Why? Because we could see that we started with 0.9999 and we got 1. Why? Because 0.999 is nothing but it is 0.9999 is nothing but it is similar to 1. Why? Because 1 and 0.999, hardly there is any difference between 1 and 0.999. The difference would be 0.000001, which is equivalent to 0. For that reason, we got x is equal to 1, and we can say that we are not surprised. Initially, you will feel that we are surprised, but we can say that we are not surprised because the difference between 0.9999 is nothing but it is 1. The 0.999 is nothing but 1, because the difference between 1 and 0.999 is hardly a difference of 0. Why? Because 0.9999 is nothing but 0.00001. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know.
This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.